Anyone who claims to know a reasonable amount of physics will tell you that any object with a positive mass creates a positive gravitational field that attracts all other objects. Now physicists claim that there is a thing called negative mass. Its existence has not been experimentally proven, but it still exists in theory. It certainly would be strange to think about objects weighing negative 5 kilograms, wouldn't it? But let's just do that anyway and consider the gravitational effect caused by a negative mass. Well, if a positive mass creates a positive gravitational field, a negative mass would create a negative gravitational field, right? That's true, which means that negative mass repels other bodies due to gravity. So the way two positive masses attract each other, two negative masses repel each other. Pretty simple? But now let's go one step further and imagine the gravitational effects we'd see if we put a positive mass near a negative mass. For simplicity, we'll assume that they have the masses of 10 kg and negative 10 kg respectively. Now, things start to get strange. The positive mass attracts the negative mass, pulling the negative mass towards it, while at the same time the negative mass is repelling the positive mass, and so the positive mass moves away from it. Both masses accelerate in the same direction, except this whole process is continuous and the masses keep accelerating. The masses accelerate without a limit until they reach almost the speed of light, because at that point they can't really move any faster. So two masses go from being completely still to moving at almost the speed of light due to the gravitational fields. Now I know a few of you out there must be going, wait, what happened to the laws of conservation of momentum and energy? And you'll be surprised to know that the laws still hold. The key to realizing this is keeping in mind that the masses are the same, but the masses are opposite. So at any point, the momentum of the positive mass is 10 times its speed, while the momentum of the negative mass is negative 10 times its speed. Add these together, and we notice that total momentum of the moving body is always zero. We could do the same thing with the kinetic energy. The positive mass has a kinetic energy of 1 half times 10 times the speed square, while the negative mass has a kinetic energy of 1 half times negative 10 times the speed square. And we notice just like that, in the case of momentum and total kinetic energy is also zero. And so, after doing all this, I have come to a conclusion. Negative mass is weird, though to be honest, if somewhere out there is a civilization made of people with negative mass, they are probably calling us weird too. If you have any questions you'd like answered, please leave them in the comment section below and we will try to get back to them as soon as possible.